Your restaurant's menu card should not just inform clients about all the dishes available inside your cafe. Your menu card should, in fact, make every client's mouth water in anticipation of the tasty dishes that you serve. And towards this end, you need to design a menu card which is absolutely picturesque. Not only should you list all the items, but you should also put beautiful looking food shots next to the items inside your menu card design. So now the client knows exactly what he has in store when he orders a particular dish. And after you do the designing, make sure that you send out the menu card to your digital print provider and ensure that you get an extremely high resolution print with vibrant colors, so that when somebody holds this menu card in their hand, they feel that they've come to an extremely premium restaurant. Finally, also ensure that the printer gives a protective coat of lamination on top of the print to ensure that the printed images are protected from dust, water, scratches, and everyday wear and tear. And this is going to ensure that your menu card looks new and fresh and pristine for years to come. And if you're looking for more interesting tips on printing and signage solutions, do not hesitate to follow us here at orchiddigitals.com.